Today we're making Oreo balls. In my journey to lose weight, I have noticed that prior to my start, I've somehow managed to buy about 3 packs of double stuffed Oreos. I really had a problem. So I decided, hey, what the hell, might as well make something with it. Um, the recipe is pretty simple. It's only 3 ingredients, 4 or more if you're using more than one kind of dipping chocolate. I'm using 2, one white, one dark. So let's dive right in. So the recipe calls for 14.5 ounces of Oreo cookies, pulverized or crushed depending on how fine you want it, and 8 ounces of cream cheese softened. I use plain cream cheese. Stir until it's well combined. At this point I put gloves on because as I was stirring I noticed that it wasn't getting incorporated very well and a lot of it was sticking to the spoon. So I wiped it off and I kept on stirring until it was combined. Okay guys, so for the dipping chocolate, I'm telling you better than showing you because I find the state of my kitchen atrocious. So it's real simple. All you have to do is stick it in the microwave, your amount of chocolate, however much you want it, into the microwave. The recipe calls for 12 ounces in total, so since I was doing 2 different dipping chocolates, I did 6 ounces of each. You put it in the microwave, 30-second intervals, no more because you will burn the chocolate and it will come out horrible. Stir in between and just keep doing 30-minute or 30-second intervals until the chocolate is melted. Okay? So grab your pre-made scoop and see if that's actually the size you need. I realized as I made it that that was actually too big. So I decided to hand roll them from now on. So now I've just grabbed a plate to put the excess dough on. Okay guys, now it's time to dip the balls in the chocolate. So I'm going to do the first row as white chocolate and then switch to the dark chocolate. Do a thorough coating on top and make sure you have a spoon to help get it out of the chocolate so you don't put finger smudges in it. Once I've coated the last ball, I'm going to let it set in the fridge just a bit longer so it can be firm. So, aggravatingly, the melting chocolate that I chose was not covering it very well, as shown in the video. But let's see how it turned out even without the coating chocolate. Just grabbed one that was in the fridge.
They're really soft. They didn't have enough time to sit up, but it's not like epically horrible, but it's not like amazing either. It's alright. No. It tastes like a creamy version of an Oreo. Doesn't really taste like anything special. Well, that's all I can really say on the matter, so. If you guys try this at home and you make it yourself and you like them, let me know in the comments below. But other than that, have a sweet life and see you next time.